Got a Scania.
Here we have it. Here we have in Skyra 400.
To Sheffield and Barnsley.
To Sheffield and Barnsley.
We've got an old friend. It's Stagecoach Gold. Our old MMC liveries.
Yeah.
It used to be on our MMCs.
Yeah, so this bus is pretty cool. So we're going the Scania Enviro 400.
It's got its air conditioning on as well.
Yeah, air conditioning. Do you hear that? He's even got a Matlock advert at the back. It's got a Matlock advert. I missed that.
Got a diesel bus on X17 again.